In this lecture, we'll be installing all the required plugins like Ocean Extra, WP Forms, WooCommerce, Yoast SEO, and WP Bakery Page Builder plugin. So, in order to install the plugins, either you can click on this Begin Installing Plugins link, or you can also go ahead with plugins and then add new. So, let's click on this Begin Installing Plugins. As Ocean WP theme recommends these three plugins, but Elementor is not needed as we'll be using the WP Bakery Page Builder plugin. So just leave this Elementor as it is and we can install and activate the other two plugins, Ocean Extra and WP Forms. I'm just installing and activating both of them simultaneously, but you can also install them one by one by just clicking on this link. Here we go. So if we can check under plugins, installed plugins. So currently 4 plugins are installed. The dark one are activated and these are just regular fonts. It means these plugins are installed but they are not activated. So we can simply delete these two plugins. Remember, whenever you want to delete any plugin, firstly you need to deactivate those plugins. Alright. So from the list of 5 plugins, 2 plugins are already installed and activated. Now let's go ahead and install the Yoast SEO plugin, which is 100% free. So at the very top we can see add new. Just click on it. Now in the search plugin box over here, just search for Yoast. Here we go. So the first plugin is Yoast SEO. Please verify the author, Team Yoast. So this is the original plugin that we were looking for. Just install and activate this plugin. You must be wondering what is Yoast SEO plugin and why did we install and activated this plugin. Let me give you a brief description about this plugin. It is very important. Yoast SEO plugin is used to fix all on-page SEO issues. Sounds a little tricky. Well, don't worry. Let me explain you in a small sentence. Everyone wants to rank their website on the first page of Google, but few of them achieve the goal. The question is why Google puts only 10 people's website on the page 1, rest are on page 2 and page 3 and page 4 and vice versa. Is this not a partiality? Of course not. Google have a specific algorithm and those websites who fulfill all the rules and regulations of Google in terms of their algorithm, they rank on page 1. When you want to rank your website on Google, then you have to make your website compatible with Google algorithms. Yoast SEO plugin helps you to fix all the issues of your website which are not compatible with Google algorithm. This is called on-page SEO process. So you don't need to waste your time on the internet in searching of what's latest in Google search policy. For your information, Google updates or we can say changes their algorithms time by time. Our next plugin is WooCommerce. What is WooCommerce plugin? Well, WooCommerce is an awesome e-commerce plugin which converts your basic informative website into an online store. Why are we using this plugin in this course? There is a very minor difference between an e-commerce store and an Amazon affiliate website. On an e-commerce store, the products belongs to the website owner and the entire checkout process can be done on the same website under the same domain. On the other hand, an Amazon affiliate website looks like an e-commerce store, but the products are of Amazon website, not yours. And the entire checkout process is done on the Amazon.com or on their other websites. WooCommerce plugin is used to create products on your affiliate website and provide an e-commerce like environment to your customers or visitors. So let's go ahead and install WooCommerce plugin, which is 100% free of cost. In order to install the WooCommerce, simply click on add new once again under this plugins. Now in the search box, just type WooCommerce. The first plugin is WooCommerce by Automattic. Install now and activate this plugin. After the plugin activation, you will see this WooCommerce setup screen. as this plugin was developed to make an e-commerce website. Hence, when you install and activate this first time, it asks you to do some basic setup. This setup process is just to make this plugin working and hardly takes 20 seconds to get done. So let's select the options and fill up the boxes as per our knowledge. So the first drop down is country. Here you can select the country. As I'm in India, so I can type India. Then we can put some address. You can select the currency. Well, if you are in non-Indian country, like if you are in United States, then the US dollars are the currency. So you can select the US dollars. I am in India, so I'll be promoting the products in Indian currency. So here I can select INR. And what type of products do you want to sell? I plan to sell both physical and digital products. So it's totally up to you whether you want to select this option or this individual one or both. So just leave it this both section. This is a good idea. Then the checkbox is I will also be selling products or services in person. Just leave it as it is. Keep this box checked and then let's go. Now, payment section. Make it unchecked as we are not going to make this entire website e-commerce, but we will be redirecting the customers to the Amazon website. So all the payments checkout will be done on Amazon itself. But this plugin also needs to have at least one payment method. So better idea would be to select cash on delivery option. Now shipping. Just make this unchecked and then continue. Also uncheck these boxes and then continue. Jetpack, just skip this step. And all done. So this WooCommerce plugin has been set up properly. Now click on visit dashboard so that you will be redirected to the WordPress dashboard like this. So that's so easy to set up the WooCommerce plugin onto your WordPress website. Recently, WooCommerce have also released a new plugin, that is WooCommerce Admin plugin, which is also free of cost. So we can simply install and activate this plugin as well. It gives you a new interface with new features and reports. So we can simply activate this plugin. Alright, so all the plugins have been installed and activated. Now one plugin is left, which is WP Bakery Page Builder plugin. That plugin is not free, so if you will try to find out that plugin under the plugins directory, you cannot get that. Let's try to search WP Bakery Page Builder. So here we can see these are some add-ons for WP Bakery Page Builder, but not the exact plugin that we need. So in order to get that plugin installed and activated onto your website, simply go to the WP Scratch website once again. So type WP Scratch and then at last affiliate. This is the same link that I provided you at the very first lecture. Now here at the bottom we have Page Builder. Just click on download Page Builder. So it will download a Page Builder file into .zip format. So let's download it somewhere onto my computer. So the plugin has been almost downloaded. Now it's time to upload that plugin into our WordPress website. So here under the add new section, you will also be seeing this upload plugin. Just click on it. Now from here we can choose file and upload that plugin into our website. Now install and activate this plugin. So this is the welcome page of WP Bakery Page Builder plugin, and we have successfully installed the latest version, that is 6.0.3. So this plugin is one of the best plugin to make pages, design the layout of your entire website very easily with drag and drop mechanism. Thank you very much.